Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can change your profile name on your Windows 10 or your Windows 11 PC. So to do that, first we'll head over to our search bar. So your Windows search bar, on your search bar you are going to search for control panel. You are going to search for control panel. When you search for control panel, it's going to bring you to this system control panel. So that's what we are looking for. So you click on this, it's going to open the control panel of your PC. Now what we are looking for is what user account. You are going to see this option here that says user account. So under it you have the option to change account type. So we want to click on change account type. Then it's going to ask you to choose the user you want to change your profile name for. So if you have more than one users, you are going to see all of them here, but because on this PC I only have one user, this is the user I have here. But first of all, let me prove to you so you know. If I check my profile here, you can see my profile here is PC. So I want you to take note so that when we change it you can see. So same thing I'm saying here, it's saying my profile name there is what? PC. So what do you want to do? You want to click on that profile or any profile you want to change. Once you click on the selected profile, it's going to give you a list of all the things you can do here. Now you have changed your account name. You can also change your account password here. You can also change your account type here or manage another account. What we are focusing on for this video is what? Change account name. So I want to click on the change account name. Now it's going to ask you to enter a new account name. Once you enter your new account name, it's going to replace with the default one or which one was initially set for you. So let me just go ahead and set any random account name here, or let me just shorten it. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to proceed to change name. Now if you look at this here, you can see account name now has been changed now. So I can decide to close this now. If I should come here and I click on this, now this is not going to change instantly unless I sign out and sign in again. So if I should sign out right now, my recording will stop. So first let me show you this way, then we'll sign out again. So if I come here and I search for your account info right here, and you come to your account info, you can see your account info now is changed. So I just want you to see here. So to make sure it also changes here, so you know, I'm going to stop my video, sign out, then sign in again, then I'm going to show it to you. But you can also do the same thing on your PC. Once you sign out and you try to sign in again, you see that this will now also change there for you. Okay, so I'm back again after signing out and signing again. So let's click and verify now. So if I come here and I click here again, as you can see now, you can see it's also showing here. So if this works for you too, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future.